In this example, I will show you how to use several CAT-shaped documents to describe just one part. Click the Manage Representations icon. Select the main product. The related dialog box displayed. It displays the name of the representation and its type and source file. Also, whether the representation is the default one and activated or not. Click the Associate button. The Associate representation box displayed. Double-click Cylinder D-CAT shape. One more time, click the Associate button. This time double-click Cylinder S-CAT shape. Now, you can see the Cylinder D-CAT shape is the activated one. Select the Cylinder S-CAT shape line and click the Activate button. You see, Cylinder S-CAT shape is activated now, which means it is the visible one. As you see, always you can activate just one shape. However, you can have shapes as much as you want to represent your geometry. The Rename button becomes active. Click it then. And enter Test, then click OK. As you see, Cylinder D-CAT shape displayed with the name of test. Now, make sure the Cylinder D-CAT shape is still selected and click Set as Default button. This representation is activated and set as the default one. Therefore, by default, the Cylinder D-CAT shape will be the visible one. When you open this document next time, in one document, you can associate as many representations as you need. However, only one must be set as default.